The Kalahari, a place that has held my heart captive all my adult life. Every venture into this remote and unforgiving wilderness meant confronting isolation, loneliness, dangerous wild animals, and mechanical breakdowns. This is a story of 10 of those years. And it begins with visiting the setting for a favourite book, The Cry of the Kalahari by Mark and Delia Owens. I would go to the place where their incredible story unfolded in one of the most remote valleys in the Kalahari. The writers spent an extraordinary 7 years researching the lion and hyena of the area. I wanted to experience for myself the acute loneliness that can only be felt in such a place. But like a narcotic, once tried, it can never be let go.